Hi, I'm Joanie Spencer, Editor-in-Chief of Commercial Baking. I am here in Washington, D.C. at the NextGenBaker Leadership Forum, just ahead of Nexus, powered by ABA and BEMA. And I am catching up with Lili Economakis and Bradley Cain, co-chairs for ABA's NextGenBaker. And we are just going to talk about what's going on with the future of leadership in our industry. Now, this is something that has been on my mind a lot, specifically about mentorship. So what's NextGenBaker up to these days, and how is mentorship playing a part?
So NextGenBaker provides leadership training for young professionals in the baking industry. So it's a vehicle for them to collaborate with other bakery supplier partners that are part of NextGen, in addition to getting a mentorship from veterans in the baking industry. So that, coupled with the leadership training classes that they're doing, that they're putting together, it's been really successful because we've seen it grown over the years in terms of participation.
Now, speaking of participation, at the Leadership Forum, Bradley, this is an incredible turnout. Not only am I correct that we have record turnout and it's sold out, is that right?
Right, yeah, it's there's a lot of new faces here with a record turnout, sold out. So excited to have everybody here. And again, to kind of the mentor aspect of it, it's a great forum to get young and upcomers introduced and kind of intertwined with people established within the industry.
Yeah, and there are tons of new faces. So that kind of says something to me that we've got people in the industry who are interested in coming up and sticking around and staying. Would you agree with that?
Absolutely. I mean, I think just the numbers and the people I don't recognize here this year is quite a few.
Definitely, definitely. So what do you think, Lili, is the vibe here with all of these newcomers and people wanting that mentorship and those tools for leadership? Is there a lot of energy going on here at the Leadership Forum?
Absolutely. This is the future of baking right here. So these are the up-and-coming leaders. They're going to be challenged with different things in their careers, and the training that they're provided here at NextGenBaker will give them the skills to be able to react and provide those ideas and those actionable items to get the company to that next level.
Awesome. Well, you guys, thank you so much for taking time to catch up with me. Thank you for all that you've done to put together this amazing program. And thanks for the effort and energy that you put into bringing new leaders up in the industry.
Thanks.